Hi, I'm Abigail, and I made an app that allows you to visualize UFO sightings in the US since the 1950s. So it has two major components of user interaction. The first one is that you can click around on the map and see, I don't know if it shows up so well, but you can see where clusters of sightings are around the map. In order to create these clusters, I used a library that uses a k-means clustering algorithm to optimize the positions of the cluster centers so that the sightings themselves are the least distance away from the cluster center itself. You can also see when I click around that this chart on the right changes. It's a word frequency chart, and it analyzes words from the comments in each sighting to see what the most common words are. The axis labels are the 10 most common words, and the bars are the relative frequency. To create this chart, I used a library called Victory, or a library called Victory, which uses React components to actually render the chart, and then D3 logic to do the underlying math. The second component of user interaction is you can actually input a sighting if you were so lucky. And you can put in the time, where it was, and using the React Leaflet synthetic event, you could actually click on the map to populate the latitude and longitude, like that. And you submit your event, and it goes back to the database, and that's my app.